So I'm gonna have to take this whole thing apart in order to get to the housing, because that's where it's all stuck. So, here we go. This is a, what do you call it? I don't know what you call it. It's just one of these things. It's like a star. I gotta change my band-aid. I think a deer fly got me in between the fingers there. Boy, did that hurt. Almost there. And this is magnetic, so yeah. Let's put this up here so you can see what I'm doing. I think you can see it. Yeah. This is not magnetic. Come on. Nope. Come on. Time. I'm going to get it repaired and get back out there and mow. Oh, it's nice and cool right now. There we go. Right. Should do it. Why not? Magnetic. And try to snap this apart with a plier. Okay, I'm going to stick it right here. Right there. There we go. We got, make sure what is in there. Let me see what we have. Yep, I see it. Yep, that looks like a mess to me. Wow, check it out. Hold on, let me get you out of there. All right, this is what I got. I took this apart. There's the screws. And we're gonna go over here. Now this is this is why I don't fish that often. This has a bunch of fishing line stuck around the housing. This is the reason why. Look at that. Look how jammed that is. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up and get it back together, because I've got to mow and I've got to edge, you know, before it gets too long. So I'll show you the finished product when I'm done. So it's pretty basic, pretty easy. And then you pop it back on. Make sure your connections are all connected. Like these right here, you want to make sure these stay connected. Looks pretty basic, wiring, very basic. All right, that's it. Let's get it back together and working. So basically, I cleaned this portion out, but there's like a, what do you call it? I'm going to show you somehow. There is a, I'm going to show you right in there that goes even, it goes even further in. It's like a little rod down there. That needs to get cleaned out too, which is tedious. I don't understand. You can see it, how, yeah, I need to clean that out. So as soon as I clean that out, I can clean up this mess, and I'll be back in business. And hopefully, if you ever have that problem with the Ryobi, you will be able to do it yourself as well. Let's put that together. So it kind of snaps together, so you'll know it. I'll put the first two in right here and here. They're all basically the same size, same length. Nope. I don't know if this is the right. Nope, that's the small one. Looks like that right here. Yep. Okay. Let me stand up and do this. Can you see? Okay. We're not that close. But it works. Yeah, that's powerful. To work. Let's go. You just have to put the 4 screws in. One there, one there, one there, and one there. And I have it working. So let me take you over here and show you. Okay, gonna lift it up with my leg. And yes, it works. Yahoo! Woo!